At Cambrionix, we've been busy learning how to make managing mobile devices even smarter. We've learned that the technology inside is the key: how users charge, connect, manage, store mobile devices make the difference. With this in mind, we've created a new kind of mobile device charging station. It makes using large numbers of mobile devices in your workplace much smarter. In fact, it's just a smarter way to manage mobile devices. Compact, customizable, modular mobile device charging, storing and management system that is packed with the features you need right now and in the future. Businesses of all shapes and sizes, to worldwide enterprises, to dispersed workplaces, we help you manage mobile devices easier. We help businesses embrace digital transformation with mobile devices, driving them to improve productivity, realize time savings, and enable flexible working for staff who have access to real-time information at their fingertips. Manage mobile devices smarter with us. Cambrionix.